Now these are few points. That is, if we having more than 10 users, less than 10 users, or either 10 users, then this one is the sufficient way to building peer-to-peer network. Now here at the case, if we don't wish to share any specialized services between all clients, at this case the peer-to-peer networks are useful to establishing computer network. Now security is not an issue, is not considerable while we going to be establish a peer-to-peer network between number of client. Now here only few number of client can be added in peer-to-peer network. So there is limited growth. Even in future we cannot add many number of client. We cannot use this network to provide some services between all together. So here this peer-to-peer networks is useful while any few number of PC less than only 10 users, or either where administrator don't require any security issues to establishing such network. Now another network category, that is of client server base. So in this one, the first, what is the meaning of client, what is the meaning of server? Now server is centralized PC which allows to transfer, which allow to respond all client whatever information they request. So here server allow to transmit or their information depend on that particular client. Now second, here server allows to share any resources at the center place. Like if there are 50 PC, there are 50 client in computer lab, and there are servers situated at the some location. Now one client can transfer that information to make a printout copy on a printer that are connected with the server. Now here while we talking about client, this one is the dumb PC. That is, here this PC allows to share all network resources at the single place with the limited right. So here why this one is the model. If we going to establish, then the single PC can be connected with the different number of client. Now here why server, then the major aspect of the server to share all network resources between different number of client. Now to provide services to the client, here we can use server like we going to working with any database package. There are 50 number of client can be work on different number of location, and that may be work, that may be enter some data, that all data can be stored at the single PC. So here there are higher processing power if you need, there are memory, there are centralized storage devices than client side, then you may use network server. Now here network server that allows to managing different number of users, different number of groups, different number of application. Now security are the major concern while we dealing with the client server model. Now why we required user and group? Then allow to give right to the client that you may access such number of services through this network, or either year group that allows to give the policy to the few users like HOD rights, like student rights, then possible to give the through the network server. Now what are the advantages? Here this client server model basically useful to facilitate to allow to sharing resources like printer, like scanner, like storage devices, or any other type of resource can be stored over the network. Now another, that is of centralized backup. Here all client work on on their location, but everything, whatever they perform, everything they created, the data that may be stored on the server PC. Now, here peer-to-peer only support 10 or less user, but here there is unlimited user can be supported by the client-server model. Now, what are the disadvantages? The major disadvantages, that is of higher cost. That is, to build a network, then we require higher cable, we require switch, we require hub, we require either fiber cable, either we going to build wireless LAN, wireless network, then we require many number of other devices that are dealing with the wireless type of network. Now, another, the biggest cost, that is in client server model, that is of server. Here server is not like a simple PC, but this one is the higher power, higher processor having PC, higher storage capacity PC, which can be capable to fulfill all requests from the different number of client on the single time. Now, here another major disadvantages, that is required expertise to configure the network. If any point, any network has not worked, then required higher skill to configure the particular network to solve the problem, whatever problem that will be failure at any point in the client server model. So, this one is the major concern to identify where is the failure has been occurred. Then at this moment one can find that problem, an expert can solve that problem at the single place. Now, while we dealing with a network, then here the layout, that is of topology. Here topology says that in which way you need to put your computer, you need to connect your computer, like bus topology. Here in the single line, in the single cable, all resources are connected, having the line connected together. Now, another, that is of star topology, that is a single device. They all different PC are connected with together, directly connected that cable with the hub or switch. So, here another, that is of ring, a circular way type of wire or devices can be put in path, and all client are connected with that devices. So, here topology says that this one is the way in which your computer going to be connected. These are now which medium that can be used to connecting your devices, that may be of wire, that may be of devices, that may be of different path that can be followed to connect a different type of devices. Now, which type of transmission media? Now, here to transmit our information between two different media, then we classify in two categories. Then either one is guided and another one, that is of unguided. Now, guided means that may be type of cable, that may be journey in the single way, or either in receiver side or either in the sender side, that is of guided. Now, in this one there are few examples are, that is of twisted pair, that is of coaxial cable, and one of the most useful nowadays, that is of fiber cable, can be used to build a guided type of transmission media network. Now, another, that is of wireless transmission media. In this one we may use radio, microwave, infrared, sound, sonar are the example of unguided transmission media. Now, here how wireless transmission media work, that is like our mobile, like we dealing with wireless medium, that is a Bluetooth, that can be allowed to transfer our information between two objects. So, here that we have two different medium to transfer our information in sharing between two clients, that is of guided and that is of unguided. Now, here what is guided media? Now, we having the example, that is one of the most used, that is of unshielded twisted pair. That is of we having know that cat 2, cat 3, cat 4, cat 5. Now in our home base network, that is of telephone line. So whatever thin cable we seen in our home base, that is example of cat 3. Now we having cable TV network. Now our TV has been connected with the with a particular cable. That cable nothing. That cable type of cat 4. Now here this one is the unshielded twisted pair. There are two cable in UTP, so that is known as unshielded twisted pair. That is there is no shield on that cable, so that it is known as unshielded twisted pair. Now here two channel that allow to transfer between information between two client. Now another here the example cat 3, cat 4, cat 5 are the example of UTP. Here why cat 5 you can use in which case then if you wish to transfer your information with a lower number of data, that is of 10 Mbps, then you can use category 3 cable. Now telephone network, residential building can be established using cat 3 to transfer our information between two. Now here cat 4 type of cable that can be used to transfer information up to short Mbps type of information. Now one of the most network used nowadays in college network, in home network or any other type of network where there are 300 or 500 computer are working together. Now here cat 5 cable can be capable to transfer information 100 Mbps within single second. That is of 100 MB per second can be transferred within the client server model. Now in future cat 6 cable can be replaced with the cat 5 that may be support up to 1 Gbps data transfer within single second. Now here another type, that is coaxial cable, which allow, this one is the secure cable, that is covered with the many insulator, that is covered with plastic cover. Now this may be used the setting of information of 100 kilohertz up to the 500 kilohertz to transfer information with higher speed between two different clients. Now another, that is of type of fiber cable, which allow to transfer our information. Now the major concern of fiber optic, that is of lighted diode that can be pass our information in fiber with the higher information as like the light can journey in universe. So here another type of transmission medium, that is of unguided. There are few examples, that is of terrestrial microwave, that is of dish antenna that may be put on our building, like DTH are the example of terrestrial microwave that can access information from the satellite. Now another example, that is communication satellite. Another example, that is cellular system. Another example, that is of radio technology and infrared. That is all, that is type of unguided media. Now here transmission media can allow to do the connectivity between two clients. Protocols give the how your computer can be communicate between together. Now here which type of network you going to be established, then that can be classified in different sections. So here these are the few examples of network type. One, that is of LAN, to build a network within a building, to build a network in computer laboratory, that is example of LAN. Now another example, that is of PAN, that is a personal area network. Here our Bluetooth network, like another devices in home, refrigerator or another devices that may be instructed through the remote like television are the example of PAN. Now another, that is of home area network. You can use wireless media in home to use our basic telephone line to moving around in home around 10 meters, that is of home based network. Now another example, that is of WAN. Here internet is the example of WAN, like bisect network are the example of WAN. Here our information can transmit from one point to across the Gujarat through the different medium, through the different transmission media, that is of example of WAN. Now another example, that may be established by any metropolitan city, that may be established by any corporation, that is example of MAN, to provide the services like Wi-Fi or other type of services to the civilian, that is example of MAN. Now another example used by any corporate company, that is of EPN, that can be used, that is says as a enterprise private network. Now another network that can be classified of network type, that is of global area networks used by the establishing computer network. So here these all different types that can be used at the different level. Now which type of network where to fit, that is depend on geographical area. If you wish to make a computer network within the room, then you may use peer-to-peer network that may be of sufficient using Cat5 cable to establishing that network. Now if you are going to use the same network in building or campus, then LAN is sufficient